In this video, we're going to be going over how you can connect your Facebook and your Instagram messages or inboxes. So it's a pretty simple process. So you do need to have a Facebook and an Instagram. You need to have that Facebook page and you need to be a creator or professional account on Instagram. But once you have those, all you have to do is come over to Facebook and navigate over to your page. So I'm on my page here and all I'm going to do is click into settings right here. And then once I'm in settings, I'm going to scroll down all the way down until where I see it says linked accounts. And if you haven't already, you're going to click into Instagram here and you'll see a prompt to link your account. If you have not already, you just sign in using your Instagram via the internet right here. Once that is linked, you'll have a prompt pop up that says allow access to Instagram messages in inbox. And then all you would do is come in and you would toggle this back on right here. And then your messages will combine into one meta inbox and you'll be able to manage that through your business suite. And if you ever want to come in, you can disconnect the account up here, come back to the same thing, and you can change this as well. Now, if you want to find these inboxes, all we're going to do is go back to our Facebook page. And once we're on our page, we're going to go to our Meta Business Suite here, and it will open this new tab. And then from here, you'll see we have our Facebook and our Instagram right here. And then from here, you're going to see a little button that says inbox. And then once you click into this and load this, you'll be able to manage both your messages and you'll be able to see we have a bunch of Instagram. We don't really have any Facebook, but if you did have Facebook, you'd see them in here. You can come in and you can filter these as well. If you want to do it by unread, and if you want to see just Instagram, you could click into this tab and you'd be able to see that as well. So that's how you can manage and kind of merge your Facebook and your Instagram inbox.